Let's be relaxed. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and we are all about rewiring your brain thoughts. All relaxation techniques are designed to help and guide you to quickly rewire and release unwanted, lingering thoughts and feelings. Sit back, relax, listen to the music, and just calmly enjoy the words that I will be sharing with you that are going to help you to get clarity and compassion into your life. Are you ready to be relaxed? Take a moment. Say these words out loud. I release and let go of all sadness, all fears, all emotional traumas, all the anger, resentment, guilt, judgments, abandonments, betrayals, helplessness and hopelessness, feelings of no control, rejections, shame, secrets, and anything else that supports this. Let it all go. It is so safe to let it go. Breathe and take a break. Then get ready for some compassion and clarity. Are you ready? Now imagine compassion. Say these words. Help me to soften and forgive myself and others for our mistakes, ignorance, and lack of understanding. Transform me into compassion, kindness, affection, and connection. I can imagine myself walking with others' shoes. I will heal and free them and me from situations that have been created. Now breathe. Think of a flower scent. Now breathe in like you are smelling this flower. And breathe out like you are blowing at a candle. Wiggle your toes and smile. Just listen to the music and feel relaxed for 90 seconds. You're doing great. Listen to the tempo. Listen to the music. Let it wash over you. And just relax. If your mind should wander, just gently bring it back and relax. You will get used to it, and soon it will be easy for it to relax for just 90 seconds. take a break. Now, are you ready to continue? Repeat, I release and let go of all sadness, all fears, all emotional traumas, all the anger, resentment, guilt, judgments, abandonments, betrayals, hopelessness, helplessness, feelings of no control, rejections, shames, secrets, and anything else that supports this. I just let it all go. It's safe to let it go. Are you ready for clarity? I know myself. My decisions empower me. My life experiences are deep and rich. I make choices for the greatest good of all, including me. Breathe. Think of a flower scent. Make it a new one. Breathe in like you're smelling this flower. And then breathe out like you are blowing out a candle. Wiggle your toes and smile. Now take a break and enjoy the view. Now check out relaxing videos for capturing confidence and encouragement. This will bring great peace into your life. Take a few more moments and enjoy the scenery. Who are you there with? What do you feel? Feel the water, the sun. Breathe and enjoy. Now take a deep breath and let it out. Take another deep breath in and let it out. You have done a great job. Make sure you tell your brain, you've done a great job. Now let's see how successful we were at helping our brain to release lingering and unwanted high intense emotions that are causing us not to have feel-good vibes. Briefly think about something that really frustrated you today. Think of it now and see if it feels less tense. If it feels less intense, you did a great job. And now you understand how when you aim at something specific and then relax, it will actually help to clear things that have occurred currently, yesterday, or things that may occur tomorrow. You've done a great job. Now, when you think about your frustration, try to make it feel worse again. Trust me. Whatever it is that you're saying to yourself to make it worse, that is what you would like to aim at the next time you choose to relax your mind. If it did not go up, you did an excellent job at helping your brain to stay released, even when you were thinking of the frustration. This is no easy task. Many think that because they're not feeling it, it's just because it didn't happen currently. But yet, before, when they thought about it and it wasn't currently happening, they had a high reaction. They're not noticing that there is a difference when you help your brain to aim at releasing low vibe emotions, that it will start to affect all the different situations that are occurring around you. This is a great way to rewire your brain, and I hope that you will join me again. It's a gentle guide, and I think that you will continue to benefit and enjoy this. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and we'll see you on the next video.